What's up YouTube? In today's video I'm going to do a quick review on this awesome LED motion light.
And no, I'm not Iron Man, but this thing is definitely very, very bright. As you can see here, it has these LEDs, and on the back it gets charged up by these 3 AAA batteries. Now the awesome thing about this product is it's very cheap. It comes in a 6-pack. If you want to check out these awesome LED little pucks, just check out the links I'll provide down in the description below. But these LED lights are definitely ideal for any dark areas, dark rooms, closets, hallways, maybe a stair step area, cabinet, kitchen, garage, and I even use this in my storage room outside. So I'll show you that here in a little bit. So this LED motion light is powered by 3 batteries that are AAA. Just make sure that you match up your terminals there, so you have a positive that matches the positive, this negative that matches the negative there. And I highly recommend that you use super duty batteries. So if you see anything that says light duty, stay away from it. The best deals to find on AAA batteries or even AA batteries is Dollar Tree. You can get a bunch in a pack for $1. But you want to stick with heavy duty or super heavy duty batteries. I don't know if you can read that right there. So sorry this thing looks so messy. I just want to show you that there's actually a magnet behind the 3M double back taping. Usually this tape stuff right here is actually on the back of here, but I just want to show you how it actually mounts to any kind of metal surface via the magnet on the back of the mounting plate. And it has this motion sensor right here in the middle that detects any kind of light and movement. So if it is dark enough in the room and it senses motion, it'll come on. And in about 20 seconds, the light will come off. Unless it senses more motion, then it'll stay on. And as you can see here, it is roughly about 3 inches. The mounting plate is actually on the back of my door right now, so I'm gonna show you what that looks like here. Let's go over there real quick. And the main reason why I have this on the back of my door where my screen is at is because I have it facing this way so that whenever I get my keys out and it's time for me to unlock my door, I can see what I'm doing. So I'll show you where I have the back mount of this on the door. So let me open this up real quick. And this is what the back plate looks like. It actually comes with like a double back taping on the back of this piece here. And then once you put the batteries on, then all you have to do is just slide it into those grooves. There's 3 grooves that lock into place right there. So I'm going to attempt to put this back on. So that's what it looks like when you mount it. And like I said, whenever I'm facing this front door here, I can see what I'm doing to unlock the door with the keys when it's dark at night. And this light right here will turn off in about 20 seconds unless it senses more motion, so it can conserve the battery. Let me go and close this door. All right, so it's nighttime now, and I'm going to show you how bright the LED motion light is. Again, it's right over here in this corner. I'm gonna open up the door, and as soon as it detects motion, it's gonna come on. There we go. And let me go and go outside here. You can see it's very dark out. Pull this shut. So, the only light that's on in here for right now is this light. And look how much light it creates on the keyhole. Very bright, so I can see what I'm doing. Back up here. So this should cut off in about 20 seconds, and we'll see how it looks. We'll peek over here. You can see the keyhole really good. And now it's really dark out. So the moment that I pull this door open right here, it'll come on. Look how bright that is. And look at all that light. I can see exactly where the key needs to go in, whether I lock it or unlock it. Now on to the next area that I have the LED puck light, and that would be in my closet. So I actually have a light right here, but sometimes I'm too lazy to turn it on, and I would just like to slide this door here, and I actually have a LED puck right in this left corner here. So I'm gonna try to open the door, and you'll see as soon as I open it up, the light will come on. It's right here. So as you see there, my clothes are nicely lit from the LED puck there, and this one will also turn off in about 20 seconds. I'll just sit here right now on my bed and just wait until it cuts off. And I'm gonna get up now and see what happens when I get close by. This is my hand right here. And as soon as I put my hand over here, the light comes on. And the light actually even comes on when it senses the motion of the closet sliding door moving back and forth. And I'll show you real quick. See, it just came on because it sensed this door moving. But you can see here, it's really bright. It actually lights this whole closet up. So let me go and close this, and I'm gonna show you the next room. Okay, I'm gonna show you my next area, which is this cabinet right here in this bathroom. I actually have one inside to the left right here. So let me turn the light on in here real quick so you can see what it looks like. But as soon as I open it up, the light should come on. So let me open it up, and as you can see here, the light is on. I'll try to open up this other door here so you can see the lighting, and I will also turn off this light as well so you can see how bright it is. So here's the light inside here, and it's just held together again by some double back taping. Really easy to install, and once you close the doors and it doesn't sense any light for about 20 seconds or less, then the light will come back off. I'll close the door inside here. You can see the halo from the light, and it's off. And I'll open it back up again, and it came back on. All right, so the next area is going to be under the kitchen sink. Right off to the left, I have another one. And as soon as I open this up, the light comes on, so you can see that. Now I actually have this light on right over here. I'm gonna turn it off so you can see how bright it is. Zoom back here and see how bright that is. All right, so I have another LED light in this storage unit here. Let me open this up, and as you can see, I have one at the very top right there. So this helps me out whenever I'm cutting the grass or edging. Let me close this door real quick and show you how bright it gets in here. There we go. So I close the door, and now you can see the true light in here. So create some nice lighting in the storage unit. Again, you just use the double back taping, and you can put it pretty much anywhere. But this is how bright the light is. I can see my pool stuff over there on the shelf, and this other shelf here. And it comes on automatically. I don't have to wait for a light switch or anything to turn on. So I have this dark closet right here. You can't see what's in there, but I just want to show you how bright this LED motion light is. So as you can see here, you didn't even know I had a snowman in this closet until I had this LED light on it. It is super bright. I can't describe to you how bright it is. You actually have to see it in person. I do highly recommend you just buy just the pack of 6. See if you like it, try it out yourself. And if you like it, you can even buy even more, but they're very, very cheap. They're like not even 20 bucks for like 6 of these. I think I bought these for like 18 bucks, but this thing is super bright. If I have it face down, you can see I don't even have it all the way up on the ceiling there, and it is very bright. And as far as the life of these, when I put them in the closets, they last over 6 months. Whenever I have them in a high traffic area, such as like a hallway, they last about 3 to 4 months. I do recommend these because it's very cheap and a cost-effective way of lighting up any kind of dark area. So I am gonna probably most likely put one in this little closet here because there is no light switch to turn the light on. So I could probably stick one of these in this little linen closet and it would light up this whole area. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you for watching.